Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a SHEIN fashion try-on haul I think are perfect for the fall, transitioning to the winter. With that being said, this video is in collaboration with SHEIN, so a big thank you to them for sending all of these pieces to me so that way I can show you guys. And if you guys are interested in anything that I'm going to show you, just know I will have a link in the description box and also in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First off is this top right here. It actually comes in a 3-pack of tops. So you get the black, the nude, and the white. I love them. I want to try them out and I'm really happy I did. It has like a very unique style material. It's like super soft, feels like a bodysuit, if you guys know what I mean. It's like really nice and soft, but at the same time it's more thicker than other tops. Very stretchy, very comfortable. This is by Lymera. Women's solid tops in multicolor, size medium. They were $11.33. I'm really happy that I got this because it gives me like a bodysuit look. Do you see how it sits on my arm? It doesn't flip over either. It's just very nice, perfect for layering, and I really like them. They're really good quality. If you want really good quality tops, I highly recommend you pick this up. I know I'm gonna wear a lot. It is so beautiful, really great quality. It's like buttery soft material. It's perfect even if you're gonna tuck it in your skirts or your jeans, whatever. It just makes it look like you have a bodysuit on, but it's just the top and it's just so nice. Moving on to the next item is this right here. This is a really nice, beautiful long sleeve cardigan. I actually have this one in a like cream color. I don't know if it's by the same store on SHEIN, but this one I really love, and it's called the solid open front loose knit cardigan in the color gray, size medium. It was $32.14. So worth it. It has like little slits on the side. It is so cozy, very thick and luscious. I love it. I like the fact that it's long, so that way it keeps me warm even at my legs, because it is getting really cold here in California. Let me see what the weather is so I can show you guys. It is 54 right now. Like, that is cold. It's gonna go down to 40. What? It is so cold, but I'm really loving it, guys. If you guys don't know, I love the cold weather. I love cold weather where it gets darker faster. Some people hate it. I don't know. I love it. I thrive in that. So this one, I have to say, is so cozy. Do you see that? It's like so nice and cozy and so warm. I love it. It's very nice and soft, not itchy or scratchy. Really great quality. Onto a viral, like trendy piece that I had to pick up. I've seen a lot of people get this and I was like, you know what, I need to pick it up because I really love the way it looks. I am thinking, since it is getting really cold, I'm gonna wear probably like fleece leggings underneath this, because this one is more of a, I don't know what you call it, flannel? I think it's flannel material, where it's like really thin, but they're really cute. So I am planning on wearing that for the winter. This is called the SHEIN Mod leopard print cargo pants. I got them in the size large, color black, or it's a leopard print. $23.53. This is by SHEIN Mod. If you guys don't know, like, I think I already mentioned that though. SHEIN has different stores on their website. The cargo style pants, they're really cute and funky, very different. It's wide leg and they're just really cute. It has a stretchy waistband and I love them. So really great quality and perfect for the winter, as long as you wear like some leggings underneath. To go with those pants, I picked up this right here. This one is super cute. I love it so much. This one is by SHEIN BAE. It's called the women's solid ruche top in the color burgundy, size large. It was only $5.77. And I just thought this was stunning. I did get this in a large because based on the material, I didn't want it, in case it didn't have like much stretch, I didn't want it to be like so tight on me, because I have a 36 triple D on top, so I want to still have room to breathe. But this has some stretch to it. Do you see that? It's really nice, soft material. I love burgundy. I've been on a kick for burgundy lately, and I just think this is really cute. Very soft, really good quality, and the best part is it doesn't have a smell. Sometimes these material have like a funky smell. This one does not. For under $6, where do you find that? It's such a great piece. Onto a PJ style pants that most likely I'm gonna give to my oldest daughter are these right here. It looks like that. My daughter loves to wear like plaid style PJs like this. I do too, but since I know she likes it, I got it for her. It does come with pockets, and this one is called the SHEIN EZwear women's belted sweatpants in the color red, size medium. It was $13.34. It does come with the drawstring so you can cinch it in. It does have really nice deep pockets, really great quality, and it's just really cute and cozy for the winter time. I love the color. I think perfect again for Christmas, for winter. Just gives it that really cute cozy vibes. Great quality. It doesn't have any stretch, just keep that in mind, but it's really nice and loose and very comfortable. This video I noticed I got a lot of like edgy pieces because I wanted to get some really cute fun pieces for going out. So I got this one right here, and they called this the GlowEve women's solid print faux leather skirt in the color black, size large, and it was $13.79. Where do you find that, guys? This is so cute. It's a faux fur skirt, and I really love it. I just think it's so beautiful. I'm thinking of wearing my fleece tights with this because it is cold. There's no way I'm gonna wear this without like tights underneath, but it is so cute. It is really nice and long. It's like a maxi style. On the back it has this slit right here that it cuts open, and then it has like this really cute ruching right here that gives you a really nice figure. I love this. Again, it's very soft. It doesn't have any weird smell. It does have the button that goes, not the button, the zipper that goes down, so it helps you just pull it up. Really great quality. Looking forward to wearing this with like a really nice sweater, tuck it in. It is beautiful. To this, I'm debating if I should wear this for Christmas. I'm not sure, but it is so beautiful. It's like a velvet green dress. Such a stunner. This one is called the Elenzga velvet asymmetrical ruffle dress in the dark green, size medium, and it was $17.69. It is long sleeve. It does have some nice stretch to it, so really nice. It is long, so since I'm 5'1", it goes all the way down. It's a maxi dress. Really beautiful. Oh my gosh, this one is so elegant. If you want like a really nice elegant Christmas, especially if you're hosting and you want a really beautiful dress, this is the one. I love green. I love this style green. Such a beautiful color and really great quality, very soft. It's like a nice velvet soft material, and I like the fact that it's really nice and stretchy. Highly recommend this one, guys. This probably is one of my favorites from this video. On to some faux leather pants. I got these right here, and they are stunners. Am I showing you the back? Okay, here's the front. These are called the SHEIN Musta women's faux leather pants in the size large, color black. It was $22.03, and they're just really nice. I like the fact that it has some stretch to it, so I don't feel like, you know, if let's say I have a big feast or I'm at that time of the month and I feel bloated, it doesn't feel like it's like tight. I like the fact that it has some nice stretch to it, so it's comfortable as well. It is so nice. It does have the belt loops. It has the button, the zipper. It has back pockets. It is a wide leg style. I think these are perfect to wear with like some heels or some boots and go out. These are like perfect going out pants. But honestly, guys, my rule of thumb is don't make rules for yourself when you don't need to. If you want to wear this for running errands and you want to wear it, you genuinely want to wear it, wear it. There are no rules. Nobody's going to be like, oh my gosh, what is she doing running errands and wearing those? How dare she? Nobody cares. Honestly, they don't. I think sometimes we put restriction on ourselves and we put rules. Like, don't wear this, wear that. If I'm in a mood of wearing this on a casual day, I will. I'm telling you right now, I will, and I don't care. And these are so nice, really great quality. I love them. They're beautiful. I think these have to be like one of my favorites as far as like a faux leather pants, because it's not one of those style pants that like stick to you in a weird way. I hope you guys know what I mean. Like, it sticks to you in such a weird way that makes you sweat, and it sticks to you and it feels like, I don't know, it makes that weird sound. Not these. These are really good. And then the last item is this right here. I love these shorts. I just think these are perfect and so festive. I'm definitely gonna wear like fleece tights underneath with these because of course it's cold. This is called the GlowEve women's metallic fabric shorts in the color gold, size large, and it was $9.39. I really love it. I like the panel right here on the front, and in the back has like a stretchy material. Not too short because I don't like really short shorts. I like to have like extra length, and I think this is like the perfect length. It doesn't have pockets. It's like that foiled metallic look. So nice and really festive. Usually with shorts, guys, I size up by 1 just because I like them to be a little bit more loose and have more room. I don't like them to be tight on me. So this one, oh my gosh, she's a stunner. Great quality. Feels almost like a satin material, and it looks like foiled gold. Gorgeous. That is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite piece. Until next time, remember, God bless. And as we say in Romanian, la revedere. Bye.